Group number 2: The continuation of Hindu view of death. Death is a universal experience. No matter what our culture, our religion, our race, or our country of origin, we will all die. Hinduism speaks of the four courses: Devayana, Patrayana, leads to hell, and rebirth. The first course, called Devayana, Way of the Gods, it is followed by spiritually advanced souls who lead an extremely pure life, devoting themselves to wholehearted meditation on Brahman. Just like Christians, Hindus believe in God, and their God was called Brahman. They believe in the first course that if Hindu died, their souls goes to him. But if Hindu died that have not succeeded in attaining complete self-knowledge, they repair to Brahmaloka, the highest heaven of Hindus. The first course, Devayana, was also called the immortal path of liberation. Devayana means the journey of the gods. It refers to the path which those who achieve liberation travel after they depart from here. Devayana is an original Vedic concept described in earliest Upanishads, such as the Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka, and Kaushik-Taki Upanishads. The verses related to it describes how and under what circumstances liberated beings are given muktas, travel by this routine, and reach the highest world of Brahma, also known as Paramdama. The Upanishads suggest that after death, human beings reach one of the three worlds mentioned in the Vedas: the sun, the moon, and the underworld or Patala. Those who achieve liberation or moksha from the cycle of births and death.